How to upload photos to Google Drive from iPhone without app. The first thing you need to do is open your browser. So for example, you're going to go onto Safari and you're going to type in Drive Google. After typing in Drive Google, I want you to select the first option at the top, which is accounts.google.com. Once you have done that, you can select the account that is connected to the Google Drive that you would like to get access to. From there, you'll be redirected to Google Drive, as you can see right here. Now, once on Google Drive, you're going to tap on the three dashes in the browser name. So right where you see drive.google.com, you're going to tap on the three dashes in the bottom left-hand corner. And you're going to tap on the three dots in the bottom right-hand corner. And you're going to tap right where you see request mobile site, or better yet, request desktop site, better yet. After tapping on request desktop site, you'll be redirected to this page. From here, you're going to tap on new in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to select file upload. After selecting file upload, from there you can select photo library. After doing that, you can select the photos that you would like to add or the videos that you would like to add. So let's say these two, and we'll just tap on add. After doing that, you'll select upload and you'll just give it a few seconds. As you can see, they are being added. Once they have been added, that's it. If it is a case that you like to share them, you can tap on it by selecting recent, and from there you can search for the photos and you could share it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative on how to upload on Google Drive on your iPhone without using the Google Drive app.